Hi, and welcome back to Closets to Go. In this video, I'm going to talk about our installation method, how we are unique, and the quality of our materials. The heart of our installation method rests with our Kamar hanging bracket and rail system, which we import directly from Italy. Being on the fourth generation of this bracket and rail system has allowed us to evolve our Closets to Go product offerings into other areas of the home, including our newest product line, convertible wine cellars. While there are other hanging bracket and rail systems available, none provide the strength nor the adjustable range of motion provided by this Kamar brand, which really makes the installation process a breeze. Some additional construction features we've engineered into our product line include an integrated cleat system with hidden fasteners that provide further support to the hanging rail and bracket system, as well as a means to secure sections into a plumb position. This is extremely important when considering sections with drawers with respect to drawer alignment. To our surprise, few other closet companies consider this added element as a key component within their construction processes. For drawer sections, we include an added fixed shelf between the top and bottom shelf of the drawer area for any units containing more than 3 drawers. The advantage here is the added structural integrity, which also assists in maintaining the precise drawer tolerance to ensure smooth, trouble-free drawer operation. Now onto the materials. Currently, all manufacturers must adhere to the California Air Responsibility Board, also called CARB 2 compliant, which reduces the use of formaldehyde and resin for making particle board, plywood, etc. While this is the minimum standard set for everyone to follow, we've taken it a few steps further in offering a CARB-exempt material. Please see the links below for more information on CARB 2 compliance. Being located in the Pacific Northwest, one of our primary industries is lumber, where there is a plentiful supply. One such supplier is Collins Pine, which not only supplies a superior core, but one that does not use formaldehyde in its resin. Because we are able to source our material from these mills, we are able to provide our customers with better materials from a quality, health, and environmental standpoint. While this might seem petty, one could see the difference when comparing the core of the material, which to some is as important to know as the other details I mentioned, though it's less visually apparent. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, or comment below. And be sure to sign up for our new weekly videos directly to your inbox.